Bajaj Discover 125 has been one of the most trusted commuter motorcycles in India and many international markets. Known for its fuel efficiency, reliability, and comfortable design, the Discover 125 continues to be a perfect balance of performance and practicality. Today, let's take a closer look at what makes this bike so popular among daily riders. At first glance, the Bajaj Discover 125 showcases a stylish yet simple design that appeals to the modern commuter. The bike features a sleek headlamp with integrated DRLs, a sharp fuel tank with bold graphics, and a comfortable seat that ensures long rides remain fatigue-free. Its lightweight frame makes city maneuvering easy, while the overall build quality reflects Bajaj's durability standards. Under the hood, the Discover 125 is powered by a 124.5cc single-cylinder, air-cooled DTSI engine. This motor produces around 11 PS of power and 11 Nm of torque, making it ideal for smooth city commuting and occasional highway rides. The engine is refined, fuel-efficient, and offers excellent throttle response. With a 5-speed gearbox, the Discover 125 provides a comfortable riding experience and impressive mileage, often crossing 60 km per liter. Comfort is one of the strong points of the Discover 125. The long cushioned seat ensures both rider and pillion enjoy a relaxed posture. Telescopic front forks and twin-shock rear suspension provide a balanced and smooth ride, even on uneven roads. Its 165mm ground clearance and stable handling make it a great partner for Indian road conditions. Bajaj has equipped the Discover 125 with essential safety features such as front disc brake options, strong drum brakes, and grippy tires. The bike also comes with a semi-digital instrument cluster that displays speed, fuel level, trip meter, and service reminders. The electric start and low maintenance requirements make it a practical choice for everyday use. One of the biggest reasons for the Discover 125's popularity is its fuel efficiency. With a mileage figure of around 60 to 65 km per liter, it helps riders save significantly on fuel costs. Combined with Bajaj's competitive pricing and affordable service, the Discover 125 stands out as one of the best value-for-money motorcycles in its segment. In summary, the Bajaj Discover 125 is a stylish, reliable, and economical commuter bike that perfectly blends performance with practicality. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a family man, this bike is built to deliver comfort and efficiency for everyday riding needs. Truly a companion designed for the road ahead.